In this ukulele video, I'm going to give you 5 ways that you can become a better ukulele player in 2021. Welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. I'm so happy that you're here for this video. This one could be a game changer for you. If you're new to the channel, we do ukulele reviews, challenges, tutorials, as well as baritone and guitarlele as well. If you haven't signed up, please subscribe and turn on that bell notification. All right, so we're in a new year, new goals, new desires, new things you want, and I'm going to get you on the right track. I'm going to give you the 5 ways that you become a better ukulele player in 2021. I can't wait to tell you these things. Leave a comment below if you know these things or if you're ready to make the commitment and start doing them right now. All right, number 1 on our list for you to become a better ukulele player in 2021 is right now. I need you to do this right now for me. Make the commitment to consistency. Okay, or just commitment and consistency. You need to make that right now. What does that mean? It can actually mean a lot of things, but if you decide to do it, you're going to realize a lot of these questions you have, like, why are the bar chords so hard? Or why can't I do this? They're going to get solved if you dedicate yourself right now to commitment, to the ukulele, and the consistency. So what does that mean exactly? Well, the easiest thing to do is make sure you just pick up your ukulele every single day and play. Okay? Whether you're working on a song, whether you're learning a new chord, whether you're learning how to read music, or whatever it is you're doing, just pick it up every day. Okay? It doesn't have to be for 2 hours every day. I mean, yeah, obviously, the more the better, but just pick it up every day. And right now, it's really great because my wife, who was classically trained flute player, she was going to play in symphonies and stuff, and she decided not to go in that route, but she has just now picked up her flute again, and she's making that commitment. She's actually practicing an hour a day. Now, you don't have to do that, but she's made that commitment, not even for anything except for she just wants to do it herself and just see what happens. See how her technique builds. And she's already said that, like, her technique is coming back just by practicing. Like I said earlier, with the bar chord, maybe you're struggling with chords or switching chords. If you start practicing, that's going to get solved, okay? So make that commitment right now. Make the commitment to be consistent every day. And I want you to do this. If you have to write it down, you have to have some kind of plan or something, do that. For me, once I decide on it, it's done. I'm just going to do it. So find the time. Maybe you have to cut something else out of your life, but find the time every single day. Practice, consistency, commitment to yourself. That's it. Simple as that. All right, that's number 1. All right, your number 2 thing that I need you to do in 2021 to become a better ukulele player is join ukelikethepros. ukelikethepros.com. We got fantastic courses over there. We got a membership. Just come be part of the community. That's really the easiest way. Come be part of our premium membership. You're going to get all the courses I have, every course. And you're going to be part of the community. We call it the ULTP Nation. And that's really the biggest thing is you have to make an investment in yourself. And ULTP is the number 1 site online for you to learn ukulele. So come be a part of the community. We have thousands of people worldwide on the site. If you want to learn just some basic strumming, if you want to learn the blues, if you want to learn jazz, like I mentioned, we have ukulele, baritone, guitarlele. We have weekly Q&As. We got a fantastic community. We got challenges. We're going to really get you to that place that you need to be. And joining a community like ukelikethepros.com is one way to do it because that's going to motivate you. You're going to see other people. They're going to inspire you when you see their videos, when they encourage you, when you post a video, they leave comments on it. Like just being a part of it is going to have some accountability to you. Plus, when you follow a course, like let's just say my Master Ukulele 1 course, that's going to give you that step-by-step that you need when you're learning something new. I got goosebumps talking about it, right? So you're here on YouTube, wherever you're watching this, great. You're going to learn a lot. But at some point, you're going to hit a wall. You're going to need consistency. You're going to need a course, you're going to need a group, a community to really help push you through this kind of stuff. So anyway, ukelikethepros.com, fantastic. Come be a part of Ukulele Pros Nation. That's guaranteed. You're not going to regret that at all, and it's going to make you a better ukulele player. All right, number 3 on our list, and this is the 5 ways that you are going to become a better ukulele player in 2021. What did you think of the first 2? Put a comment below. Is that something you're willing to do right now? Make a commitment to consistency. Join ukelikethepros.com. All right, those are the first 2 things. Number 3, this is probably one of the most important things. I almost made it number 1, but without the commitment, without the consistency, this doesn't happen. You have to become better at time. You have to get better at rhythm. Okay, got it. Just no ands, ifs, or buts about it. Whether you're just playing by yourself, whether you're playing in a group, whether you're doing Zoom calls or whatever it is, you have to get better at time. There's only one way to do that. Now, there's a couple ways to do that. One is you got to start using a metronome. You got to start using backing tracks. Okay. Those will keep you solid at time. You may not like them. You may think that the metronome is slowing down or speeding up, or that whatever it is, whatever your excuse is, oh, I just played better without it, or whatever. Just drop it. Drop it right now. Get a metronome. Get some backing tracks. We have backing tracks at Ukulele the Pros. All the courses, everything has backing tracks to it. All the challenges we do have backing tracks. Start playing with those backing tracks. You will get better. Then when you join a group, right? You're not going to be the one with bad time. You're not going to be the one slowing up or speeding up or whatever. Trust me, it's what music is. Music is about rhythm and keeping a good time. And a lot of us, I have a feeling, and is this you? This used to be me. If you practice by yourself a lot and you don't use a metronome, your time's all over the place. You speed up, you slow down, whatever it is, you get to a hard part, you really slow down, and then you speed up at a part. I've seen it, I've experienced it myself. So get better, master rhythm. That's going to be your thing. Master rhythm. That's key. Metronome, backing track. Get the stuff at ukelikethepros.com. Trust me on this. This is really, really important. You're a musician. You're a ukulele player. You got to get a good, solid rhythm. All right. Number 4. Wow. On our list of the top 5 ways you can become a better ukulele player in 2021. By the way, thanks for being here, and thank you for smashing that like button. So number 4, all right, this was really big. Okay, this one's really, really important. This is not only for ukulele players, this is actually in life, and this is something that I have to do as well, but you have to step out of your comfort zone, okay? What does that mean exactly? Okay, how can you do that on the ukulele, right? So how do you step out of your comfort zone? That means picking pieces that might be a little harder for you. How many of you are stuck in the key of C, right? A lot of great books out there like the Daily Ukulele, so many great books for ukulele. By the way, you can get all that stuff stored at ukelikethepros.com. But so many stuff out there is in the key of C, which is a great key for the ukulele, right? Things sit really nicely on there, but it doesn't really push us. It doesn't challenge us at all. And so we tend to get stuck in doing a few things really well. And then when we're forced to get out of that, like when we have to start doing bar chords or a little finger picking or something, whoa, that's out of our comfort zone. So 1, pick more challenging pieces. Now, how do you do that? Because there's so much stuff out there. Well, I mentioned earlier, Ukulele the Pros, we have challenges, okay? So we do challenges for all our premium members. They're usually every month. We usually give away fantastic instrument, ko-alohas, all kinds of stuff we give away for these. But what's that going to do is going to push you out of your comfort zone. Because maybe it's a finger picking piece. Maybe it's a chord melody. Maybe it's a strumming piece, but it's going to use some chords that you don't really know. So you got to challenge yourself. You got to get out of that space that you feel really good at and push yourself. All right, now another thing it could mean is by posting some videos of yourself, all right? So there's a lot of different things that go on, challenges, Instagram, TikTok, whatever it is, Facebook, YouTube, right? You can do videos of yourself, whether it's part of one of our challenges or just something else. You can put yourself out there. Because how many of us are scared on the camera? I know I used to be. So that's one way. Step out of your comfort zone. Don't worry about even the video production or the sound at first. Just like literally set your phone up somewhere and do it. Literally, that could just mean setting your phone up somewhere, doing a video of yourself, posting it somewhere, whether it's on social media or part of a challenge, and just putting yourself out there. Okay, you're going to learn a lot during that process, and you got to start somewhere, and you'll get better and better. So, number 4 of the things here is I want you to step out of your comfort zone, pick harder songs, be part of challenges, post your videos up there. Trust me on this, you're really going to grow as a ukulele player if you do that. All right, number 5 on our top 5 ways that you can become a better ukulele player in 2021. How did we do so far with the first 4? Remember the first 4? Number 1 was make a commitment to yourself, the consistency. Number 2 was join ukelikethepros.com. Number 3 was master rhythms. And number 4 was challenge your stuff. Step out of your comfort zone. So did any of those ring true? Are you ready to make the commitment? Yeah, leave a comment below. By the way, if you need help with your ukulele chord, by the way, you should know all of these that are on this. This is the ukulele pocket chords by Ukulele the Pros. You should know all the chords on here. If you need this, I'm going to give that to you for free. This comes with every uke that we sell at store.ukelikethepros.com. But if you want it, I'll give you the download of it. We'll put a link below to go get that chord chart. Just have it with you. It's a great thing to have with you in your ukulele case or whatever. And so get those chords down. All right, number 5. I watched the guitar video the other day, and the guy mentioned something similar. He was like, don't leave when I say this. But number 5 is you got to learn some basic music reading. And in that, that's going to help you with some basic, like, fundamentals of music, too. You could call it music theory. It doesn't even need to get that deep, but just some fundamentals of music. But you got to learn how to do this, right? You're a musician. You play ukulele, but if you just want to strum and play song after song, that's cool. I got nothing wrong with that. I love songs as well. But it's going to get old because if you're serious, if you're committed, if you're doing the things that I mentioned here, you're going to want to grow and learn some new stuff here on ukulele and as a musician. And step 1 is you gotta learn how to read music. Okay? Doesn't mean you have to put, a Beethoven's Ninth Symphony up and you have to play it on ukulele. I'm just talking about learning some basic notes. So you can even, when you see a melody that you're going to play or sing in sheet music, you can actually find out what the first note is. Okay. Just some basic stuff. And by the way, we have a beginning music reading course at ukelikethepros.com. You can get that course or you can join the membership and that's included as well. So you got to just get some basics down. It's going to be a little bit of work, but trust me, it's worth it. You want to break away because you're committed. You're taking this thing seriously. You got to learn that. And then in the process, like I said, some basic music fundamental stuff, some basic music theory. Doesn't have to be too deep. You don't got to get into like what a E7 sharp 9 chord is or what scale you play over it. Not that. I'm just talking about the basic stuff, the different time signatures, making sure you know all your musical terms, and even just some basic music theory, like when you play a G major scale, what notes are in that, right? Or a C major scale, or whatever it is. Just some basic stuff. So if you know this, I know it seems like, well, how's that going to help my playing? It actually does because you know it inside your head and it's just helping you. When you do pick it up and play, you're going to have a lot better understanding of this great instrument. So that's number 5. Learn some basic music reading, learn some basic music theory. All right, so those were the top 5 ways that you can become a better ukulele player in 2021. What did you think? Are you ready? Are you ready to tackle this year? I think it's time. So let's recap those real quick on what they are. Number 1 is commitment and consistency every single day. Number 2, that's 2, is join ukelikethepros.com. Come be part of a community. They're going to really help you grow and become a great player. Number 3 is you got to master time. You got to become a fantastic and a solid and a steady rhythm player. And number 4, you got to step out of your comfort zone. You got to challenge yourself. You got to pick harder songs. You got to do videos of yourself. You got to become part of the community. Join it on Instagram or TikTok or Facebook or YouTube, whatever it is. Be part of the community. Do challenges, post your videos, step out of your comfort zone. And number 5 is you got to learn some basic music reading, some basic music theory. I know that's scary. You might say, I don't want to learn it. Trust me, just learn a little bit about it. It's going to help you in the long run. It's going to make you really a more confident and powerful ukulele player. All right, so there you go. Those are the top 5 things. I hope that it helped you in some way. I hope that you're ready to join with me here. Just stay with me. Check out my YouTube channel here. Stay with me on ukelikethepros.com. We're going to push you all year long with different challenges, with different songs, with different tutorials. I'm going to get you there. You got to stick with us, make the commitment to us right now, and in the long run, it's just going to make a commitment to yourself, and you're going to become that great ukulele player that you know that you can be. So anyway, thanks for being here. I appreciate all the comments, smashing that like button, and subscribing to the channel. That's going to do it for me. I'm out of here. We'll see you next time.